There are many and various processes and procedures which can be implemented into risk management, and a lot of these revolve around risk analysis, risk assessment. As we know, the quantification of risk is the risk times the probability of it occurring. Improving risk management requires not only attention to the more formalised structures of risk management, such as ISO 31000 or the COSO systems, but to look at what might be deemed to be the edges of the system, people who work in the system, for example, who can create problems which formalised management procedures won't pick up. You've got to look at what happens within the organisation, who is in the organisation and what can they do, even if they appear to be doing what they're supposed to be doing. Have they got the capacity to do what they're not supposed to be doing, and can they lead the organisation into trouble which a formalised risk management procedure couldn't and wouldn't predict. Risk management is holistic. It is not a separate proceduralised department where we've got the checklist, we've ticked it off, all is well. You have to look at the small stuff and think the unthinkable.